Welcome to Big Daddy Storytime. We're reading Thomas and Friends, The Sound Storybook Treasury. Victor needs fixing. Sit tight, Terence, says Victor, the manager of the Sodar Steamworks.
Hello, I'm Victor.
We'll have you fixed. In no time. Victor, Kevin,
Hello, I'm Kevin.
and the rest of the Sodar Steamworks crew quickly reattached Terrence's bulldozer blade. It feels just like new, says Terrence. Thanks. Suddenly a loud noise causes Victor to stop in his tracks. I've broken a wheel, cries Victor. Don't worry, Victor, says Kevin.
Hello, I'm Kevin.
Broken wheels are easy to fix. But Victor is worried. He's never been repaired. He's never been repaired before, that is. I'll be okay without a repair, Victor promises.
Hello, I'm Victor.
Later that day, though, Bertie wobbles into the Sodar Steamworks with a flat tire. Victor clunks forward to help, but by the time he's in position, Kevin has already been fixed. He already fixed Bertie's flat, that is. You're next, Kevin says to Victor.
Hello, I'm Kevin.
He and the crew get to work. Is it going to hurt? Victor asks. Not at all, says Kevin. In fact, you're all set. The next day, Rosie
Hello, I'm Rosie.
arrives with a broken coupling hook. She looks nervous. Victor rolls up to her. His new wheel feels great. Trust me, Rosie, Victor says. There's nothing to worry about.
Hello, I'm Victor.
Great job, my friends, for spotting all that and listening so attentively. What have we learned today, my friends? We learned from Victor. We all need time to repair ourselves. We should not be nervous about being repaired. We should be joyful, just like Victor was very joyful. And so was Rosie, that Victor helped her not be nervous. Great job, my friends. Have a super day. Be sure to like, favorite, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more Big Daddy Storytime. God bless.